Consider a consider AC triangle ACB right angled at C, in which AB is 29 units, BC is 21 units, and ABC is theta. See figure 8.10. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta.
Yes, Hasni. So ACB angle, we know that ABC is theta means angle ABC is theta means the angle position will be at which letter, Hasni?
Sir, we know
If angle ABC is mentioned as theta, no, Hasni. So which letter at which vertex angle will be there?
B, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So ABC or CBA means it is angle B is theta degree, theta, Hasni. So and they said that two sides are given, Hasni, for the triangle. One of the side
Okay.
is clearly they mentioned right angle is at C, so automatically the side opposite to C will be AB, which is the hypotenuse.
Okay.
Okay, so once that
Oh,
AB is the hypotenuse, and another side they mentioned since C is the right angle, automatically AB should be the hypotenuse. The side opposite to vertex C will be AB. You know that hypotenuse is the opposite side of right angle inside the right angle triangle.
okay.
So even though they didn't mention, we should understand that 29 is the hypotenuse also.
Okay.
The reason is C is the right angle. So AB should be the hypotenuse. Okay, Hasni? Any
Okay.
doubt? Yes, Hasni. And
No
BC is
doubt.
equal to yes, Hasni. And AB first we will find out Hasni so that once if we find out AB, we will there will be 100% a use for us because sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. No? So opposite side is required for this theta because B is theta, no? So opposite side we require anyways.
Okay.
So from the figure Hasni, we can see that AB square AC square plus AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square, Hasni.
Okay.
So I'm finding out AC first. AC square plus BC is 21 square, Hasni, is equal to 29 square. So AC square plus 441, 21 square is equal to 29 square is how much, Hasni? 961. Huh?
Okay.
861, Hasni.
I think so.
841. Hasni?
Okay.
21 into 21 is 441.
Okay.
Yes, Hasni. So AC square is equal to 841 minus 441. Hasni, AC square is equal to 441, 8 means 400. AC is equal to square root of 400. So AC
Okay.
is equal to 20 units. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So once we got AC as 20 units, Hasni, we can write all the required question, like in the we require first one cos square theta plus sin square theta, Hasni.
Okay.
So shall I delete this, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise I'll do it. Okay. So first one, once we got this as 20, Hasni, we can do first. I'm deleting it, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So example 3, we got this as 20, Hasni, by Pythagoras rule. Now first bit, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So we know that from the figure, Hasni, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse or base by perpendicular.
Okay.
Base by perpendicular. So which is 21 by 29. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
Sorry, base by hypotenuse. So Hasni?
Oh,
Hello?
yes.
Yes,
Sir, could you
Hasni.
hear me?
Yes, Hasni. So 21 by
Yes, sir.
29. Yes, Hasni. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, which is opposite side is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse, Hasni. So which is just now we found out the perpendicular as 20, Hasni, and 20 by 23. So now we'll just
Okay.
substitute in this Hasni, the one which we need to find out. So cos square theta means 21 by 29 whole square plus sin square theta means cos square theta plus sin square theta Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
Is equal to 21 by 29 whole square plus 20 by 29 whole square, which is 21 square is 441 by 29 square is 841 plus 400 by 20 square is why both because a by b whole power m Hasni is equal to a power m by b power m.
Okay.
The power, if a fraction has whole square means Hasni, the square should be applied for both numerator and denominator.
Okay.
So finally, 20 square is 400, 29 square is 841 Hasni. Here similarly, 21 square is 441 and 29 square is 841. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So now, since already the denominators are same Hasni, we'll just add the numerators. So which is 841 by 841. Because LCM we need not do it Hasni.
Okay.
Because already the denominators are same. So hence, so later in the next exercises Hasni, we'll learn this as an identity. As a formula Hasni. For any same angle, once the theta is same Hasni, cos square theta plus sin square theta will always be equal to 1 Hasni.
Okay.
But the angle should be same. Means if it is cos square 30 plus sin square 60 means it will not be 1 Hasni. Cos square 30
Okay.
plus sin square 30. Both of them should be same. Or cos square
Okay.
60 plus sin square 60. Like that.
Okay.
Shall I delete this Hasni?
Yes.
So now second one Hasni. Same way cos square theta minus sin square theta. So already we got the values of this now Hasni, or else I'll finish it here Hasni. This side. Okay, there is no space. Okay. So cos square theta minus sin square theta Hasni, second one. Shall I do it here Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Because anyways cos theta sin theta values I wrote it now. So just we need to substitute.
Okay.
Okay Hasni. Any doubt
Okay.
Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. So cos square theta Hasni, how much is that? 21 by 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 whole square, which is 21 by 29 whole square is 441 by 841 Hasni. And this is 400 by 841. 441 minus 400 is how much Hasni? 41 by 841. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt Hasni?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the next question Hasni?
So could you repeat?
Example 4. Shall we go to the next question Hasni? Example 4.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Actually, this cos theta, sin theta, we used it, whatever we got it from the triangle Hasni, we used it in both of them.
Okay.
So that's why I continued here only Hasni. Stop doing something else.
Okay.
Yes. Example 4 Hasni. Once you read the question Hasni, example 4.
In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is 1.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, now what we have to do is they only said that right angle let B Hasni. Means AC should be the hypotenuse. Other than the letter B involved side, opposite side will become AC for angle.
Okay.
Okay. So, and they said that tan A is equal to 1 Hasni.
Okay.
So tan A is equal to 1 means we can find out, because here given tan A is equal to 1 means what, I can write 1 as 1 by 1 Hasni.
Yes, yes.
So now in this triangle, tan A is equal to 1 means, suppose if I draw a figure, for this figure only, if we take it as tan A
Oh,
is 1 means, as per this figure Hasni, tan angle A is there, opposite side by adjacent side, or for that angle A, perpendicular will become BC Hasni, opposite side.
okay.
Yes or no Hasni? Adjacent side will become how much Hasni?
1 by 1.
Huh?
1 only, sir.
Hasni?
So could you hear me? I was telling 1.
Yes, Hasni. So AB or AC, AB or BC Hasni, adjacent side for that angle A.
BC, sir. Okay. Adjacent side is AB, sir. I heard it as
Yes,
opposite side.
yes, Hasni. Opposite side BC. That is, if for vertex A Hasni, BC, CB, if suppose you are writing the formula using perpendicular by base means, BC will be the perpendicular Hasni for angle A. That one.
Okay.
If you are taking the formula by perpendicular by base means, BC by AB has.
Okay.
So anyways, opposite by adjacent also, for a angle A, opposite side will be BC. So BC by AB. Okay, Hasni. Now
Okay.
Pythagoras rule will find out AC has. Okay.
Okay.
AC square, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square is how much, Hasni? 1 square. BC square is how much, Hasni? 1 square. Is equal to AC square. So I can write, I'm just writing AC square this side. Ask me 1 square plus 1 square, 2. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
AC is equal to root. I just wrote this left side has. Everything, both of them are interchangeable. No, not a problem.
Okay.
1 square plus 1 square means 1 plus 1 has 2.
Okay.
So now Hasni, since AC also we got it, they're asking us to find out the verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1 Hasni. Means
Okay.
what, we should, if they only said that we should get the answer as 1 Hasni after doing 2 sin A cos A. Okay.
Okay.
So if we get 1, then our we verified it. That is the meaning. So for that, we require sin A cos A from the figure. So now I'm writing
Okay.
sin A. Sin A will become how much, Hasni? Can you tell? Sin A is equal to opposite by adjacent.
Hypotenuse.
Opposite by hypotenuse, which is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse also, no problem.
Okay.
So sin A will become how much, Hasni? Hypotenuse, just now we got it as
Root 2.
root
1 by
2.
root 2.
So 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos A has. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse or base by hypotenuse has.
Okay.
So which is equal to again 1 by root 2. Any doubt, has to, because both base and opposite sides both are ones now, has to this time.
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now I am considering LHS, Hasni, in the one which we need to prove. Consider LHS because we need to bring that RHS.
Okay.
2 sin A cos A. So 2 sin A is how much, Hasni? 1 by root. Cos A is how much? 1 by root.
Okay.
Yes, Hasni. So it will become 2 into numerators. If we multiply, it is 1 into 1, 2 only, Hasni. This 2 has no denominator, means by 1. So 2 into 1 into 1, 2 by 1 into root 2 into root 2, Hasni. 2. Because root 2 into root 2 will become root 2 square, which is 2.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now 2 will go one time, Hasni, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So hence, true. So Hasni will just finish the 5th example on Hasni so that we can continue with the exercise in our next class. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Shall I delete this, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we get an example. This example 5 is also important one, Hasni, for 2 markers. Actually, here we will get an equation. So same like linear equations, we'll use many ways to do like 2 ways, Hasni, whichever is convenient for you, that we will do. So once you read the question, Hasni, example 5.
A triangle OPQ, right angled at P, OP is 7 centimeters and OQ minus PQ is 1. See figure 8.1 to determine the value of sin Q and cos Q.
Yes, Hasni. So they said that, Hasni, this time right angle at P, it is OPQ triangle, Hasni. Right angle at P means automatically, other than P, OQ should be the hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
Now we got the hypotenuse, but they gave one of the side OP, Hasni, 7, and other 2 sides, none of them they gave, Hasni, but they gave the difference between the other 2 sides.
Okay.
That is OQ and PQ is there, no, remaining 2 sides difference is given, Hasni.
Okay.
So for that, now what we can do is, Hasni, we can just, as per the figure, Hasni, first we'll write the Pythagoras equation, Hasni.
Okay.
So what is Pythagoras equation for this, Hasni? For this triangle?
OQ square is equals to OP square plus QP
Yes,
square.
Hasni. So I am writing it as, Hasni, we can write OQ square is OQ square is equal to QP square plus OP square. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Now, Hasni, OQ they didn't give, Hasni, but what we can do is, one out of these 3 things here, we know one of the value, Hasni. What is that?
P O.
OP. Yes, Hasni. So what I'll do is, here from the given thing, that is this thing, Hasni, OP minus OQ minus PQ, which is given as 1. From there, I can write OQ minus PQ is given as 1, Hasni, which means I can write, which implies, actually here I should write this in the next step, Hasni. Okay, I'll write. Which means, Hasni, I can write OQ is equal to, this is given, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ, Hasni. Just I took PQ to the right side, Hasni. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now what we will do is, Hasni, we'll just substitute here. OQ place, I'll write that 1 plus PQ and square is there. Okay.
Okay.
Now QP I wrote it now, Hasni. I'll just rewrite it as PQ. QP or PQ same.
Okay.
Now we brought the equation into only one known thing and one unknown thing, Hasni. OP is given as 7. Means before it was like out of these 3 only one is known. Now we changed the equation into only 2 things, PQ and OP. OP is there, PQ we can find out now.
Yes, sir.
Because before, all out of 3, 2 are not there. Now we changed the equation to only 2 things, PQ and OP. OP I substituted, PQ will find out.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Hasni.
Okay.
Now, yes, Hasni. This is a plus b whole square, Hasni. If we expand it, what we get? A plus b whole square. A square, 1 square is 1 square, Hasni. 1 plus pq square plus 2ab. 2 into 1 into pq. So 2pq.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No doubt.
Yes, Hasni. Pq square plus 7 square is
Oh, 49.
49. You can see, Hasni, since a little bit you become perfect now. Shall I cut this pq square directly?
Yes, sir.
Because if you take both are pq square same sign, if you take it to the other side, pq square minus pq square 0.
Okay.
So now we are left with Hasni 1 plus 2 into pq, that is 2pq into 1 is 2pq only, is equal to right side 49 Hasni. So
Okay.
2pq is equal to 49 minus 1, 48. So pq is equal to 48 by 2, 24 Hasni. Any doubt, Hasni?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So now we got the PQ value. Using PQ, we can find out OQ also, Hasni. Now, in the starting, that box is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Using that, we can find out OQ now. OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ.
Okay.
So OQ is equal to 1 plus 24. OQ is equal to
20.
25. So now we have OQ, we have PQ, and one more OP is also given already. OP is equal to 7. This is also already given us.
Yes, sir.
Now finally all the three sides are there, Hasni. We can find out sin q, cos q directly, no?
Yes, sir.
So sin q is equal to what is the formula, Hasni? Opposite by hypotenuse or
Okay.
perpendicular by hypotenuse. So from the figure, Hasni, now since we have all the three sides, so I'm just writing the sides, Hasni. OQ is 25 and OP is 7 already written there. They wrote it, Hasni, and one more side is 24, Hasni. So now sin q, can you tell it, Hasni, what is the answer?
7 by 25.
7 by 25 is Hasni. For q angle, opposite side will become OP, Hasni.
Okay.
OP by OQ. OP by OQ. So sin q is equal to 7 by 25 Hasni. Then cos q, Hasni. Cos q is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equal to base by hypotenuse, Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
So for Q angle, base will become OP only, Hasni. So no, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
OP by OQ. So cos Q is equal to, what are the values, Hasni? 7 by,
24 by 25, right, sir?
actually, Hasni, oh, I wrote wrong. For Q, the base will become PQ, Hasni. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
PQ by, yes, Hasni, PQ by,
PQ by OQ.
yes, Hasni. So cos q is equal to 24 by 25.
Okay.
Okay. So Hasni, with this, I think all the examples before the first exercise of Hasni will, anyways, you did first four sums, I think, Hasni. But anyways, we
Yes.
in our class also once again we'll finish it, Hasni, quickly.
Okay.
So Hasni, if you have time, you can same as it is similar to the just the example by just now which we did, Hasni. You can try the question number 10 as homework, Hasni. It is similar to this
Okay.
only. Here PR plus QR is given instead of in the one which we did now. OQ minus OQ minus PQ is given. Like difference of the sides is given in the one just now which we did. Here sum of the other two sides is given as PR plus QR.
Okay.
Other than one more side which they gave, no PQ, other than that, some of the other two sides.
Okay.
So again, once you finish this one, I will try it as homework as well. Anyway, we will also do it.
Okay.
If you do it as well, so that you will not forget the one example file as well.
Okay.
Any doubt has been that example file?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So again, we'll do it in our tomorrow's
Okay.
class. Yes, that's it.
Bye.